this one, that's 8 cubed minus 6 cubed. And here we need to find A, that is 2, and B, that is 3. So we'll multiply 8 cubed minus 6 cubed, which is 2x squared cubed minus this cubed, which is 3 cubed. So it will become 8x to the 6th power and negative 27. And also the last factor. Completely factor each expression. Here we have this series of numbers, 2x squared plus 7x plus 3. Here we need to find common factors. So we'll need to get these two numbers and these two numbers. Together we will multiply them so that we can get the formula. And here would be 2 times 1, 2.1, and 3 and 1. So we'll multiply 2 times 1 and 3 times 1, okay? So 2x minus 1 and x minus 3. In this case, 2 times x will give you 2x squared. 1 times negative 1 times negative 3 will give you positive 3. And 2x squared times negative 3, so it will be negative 6. Plus negative 1 times x will give you negative 1x. It will give you negative 7x. This is the final answer.
And I'm going to explain how to plot the points on the given coordinate plane and identify the corresponding pattern. First, we have this point that is a2 minus 3. You need to know that the first number of the parentheses is the x value and the second is the y value. So you're going to start from the origin and move the points of the x, that is 2, and then move up or down from your x value to the value of y, that is minus 3. 1, 2, 3. And there is your A point. You need to do the same thing with all the values. When you have 0, it means that the coordinate is going to be in one axis. When you have x0 and y0, you're going to stay in 0. You're not going to have any x value, and you're only going to move up where it says the y, and that's going to be your C point. When you have a fraction, you only need to convert it to decimal. This is equal to 0.5, and you only have to graph 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 0.5 up. Now, when you have its abscissa is 1 and its ordinate is 2, it means that abscissa equals x, 1, and ordinate equals y, 2. So you only graph that. Explain how to solve the following linear equations. Here's your equation. You need to find the value of x. So you need to isolate every number that is affecting the x. First you pass the 2 with the opposite sign. It was adding, now it's subtracting the 29, and you're going to have your answer. Then you're going to pass the 3 dividing, because it's multiplying the x. Then you're going to get the cubic root. Now you're going to elevate everything to the 3rd power to eliminate the cubic root. And you're going to have x to the 2nd power, 729. Now you're going to get the cubic root, the square root of all to eliminate the 2. And you're going to get the value of x, that is 26. Okay, now I'm going to explain how to solve each equation for the given variable. Our variable we're looking is w. First we have to do distributive property with the negative sign to all the parentheses. You're going to get minus w minus b. Now you're going to move all the variables that are affecting the w to the other side with the opposite sign. So you're going to have t minus g plus p equal minus w. To eliminate the negative sign, you're going to multiply everything for minus 1. And you're going to get minus t plus g minus p equals w, and there you have your isolation.
Hi Miss, I'm Daniela Brunet. The weekly rental for a newly DVD of an animated film at the local video store decreases each week. At the same time, the weekly rental for a newly DVD of a horror movie increases each week. The rental of a premiere of an animated film starts selling at 360 DVDs and decreases at 24 DVDs per week. In contrast, the rental of a horror movie starts selling at 24 DVDs per week. After how many weeks the rental for the two movies are equal? Okay, first we have to take out the information we know. Okay, so it's 360 minus 24 weeks equals 24 plus 18 weeks. Then we have to put everything in on its place. So it's gonna be 360 minus 24 equals 18 weeks plus 24 weeks. That's gonna be 336 equals 42 weeks. Then we pass this and it goes dividing. So when we divide 336 divided by 42 give us 8. So our answer is 8 weeks. For the movie to be equal. Now we're gonna work with the elimination method. Okay, here's the problem. As we can see, to eliminate the one of the bottom, it's better if we multiply it all by 2. So let's do it, okay. Minus 2. Okay, this is this one plus 2, right? Okay, now we have to eliminate to clear x. We're gonna do 2x plus y equals 3, and the one we just did, that is this one, is minus 2x minus y equals minus 3. As we can see, these are the opposite, so they all break down. And as they are the same number, x equals 0. Then we have to put x on this equation. So it's gonna be 2 times 0 plus y equals 3. 2 times 0 gives us 0, so basically it's gonna be y equals 3. Our answer is gonna be 0, 3, because x gives us 0 and y gives us 3. Find the axis of symmetry, vertex, graph, root, and using the graphic method. Okay, so first, to get the vertex, we have to make this equation. Then we substitute. This is A, B, C. So it's gonna be minus 2, 2A equals 2 plus minus 1. Now we have to substitute in the equation. So it's going to be y equals 0. So the axis 0 and the vertex is -1, 0. Now we have to graph. Here to get these sides, because we know it's going up, we have to get the y's. Let's see. Oh, so it's gonna be here, the one here. The graph is gonna look like this.